my name is Ellie LoVeux and today I'm going to be unboxing my PR of the month September. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off with a package that was probably of my last month's PR, but it didn't get delivered. Something went wrong in the postage and they didn't update me that it was at the depot, so it got sent back. Thankfully the company let me know and now I've got it. Okay, I've unboxed it and it's an eyeshadow palette. From the looks of the flyer, it's a Mauve color story. The packaging looks really good. It's similar to their previous eyeshadow palette, which I used this one a lot. I will not open it up because you can see that it's very well loved. And I use it pretty much in every look and definitely for everyday looks. So I have very high hopes for this one. Let's take it out of its packaging. By the way, the name of this is the Mauve Melt palette from Gigibee Beauty. Yes, this is her. The shades are very, very pretty. I always like when there's a few like more brownie tones in it, because then I can use just one palette to make a complete look. I'm a very big fan of the shimmers because I just really like the glitter and shiny things. I kind of already want to swatch one of the glitter ones. It's a very pink one, Lumi. Here it is on my finger. I don't think it will focus, but you can see it's really like iridescent. Yeah, I'm very excited to use that one. I will be keeping it on my desk to make sure I'm gonna use it in one of my next looks, so stay tuned for that. And on to the next package. Okay, so for the next package, a fun little backstory. It got delivered when I was not at home, so they sent it to a depot, but for some reason they chose the one on the other end of the city. And I don't have a car or a license, so I had to bike to there for I think 20 minutes or half an hour. So I was kind of not in the mood when I was picking it up, but then I unboxed it at home. Oh, stay in there, girl. Look at how big it is. It's so much stuff. I want to open it. I was like, damn, that really was worth the biking ride. So these are the L'Oreal Paris Serum Concealers from the True Match series, by the way. Look at this. Look at all those concealers.
Look at all those chickens.
I'm very glad that they sent, I think, all of the colors even. But the difficulty with finding a concealer or a foundation for me is really like the undertones never match well. There's a few that match me well and I really stick to those, but it's really hard to try out other ones because it's really hard to find the correct undertone, especially if you order online. And I don't leave the house much, so. Okay, then lastly for this lastly for this month, I got 2 boxes from NYX Cosmetics. One of them is Beetlejuice themed and the other one I actually don't know, so let's open it. Okay, so on the inside of the box is very much more fun than the outside. I think it's like a little s'mores like cookie, very fun. And then on the inside there are lots of like neutral colored items. I'm gonna go through them. So first off, we've got a bunch of colors of the Epic Ink liner, which is one of my favorite liners at the moment. I have right now only the black one, I think. But these are all different kind of nude shades. So we have like a very, very dark brown. We have a lighter brown. We have a medium brown. We have a beige one and a more like creamy one. Then there were also some fat oil lip drips in there. Very big fan of the fat oil line in general. And for these we have like a warm brown, a very dark red, which I'm a big fan of, a mauve neutral, and a very light like dusty pink. Then it contains one more item, which is something I have not heard of before. The Powder Louder brow pencils. They sent me a bunch of colors, which I very much appreciate because I often wear a wig for different looks, and that requires different shades of eyebrow that match the wig. We have a more warm toned one, which is great for my natural hair color. We have two kind of more ashy tones, one darker and one lighter, and then we have one like warm dark brown. Not really sure how these work. We have two sides. I can see one is a spoolie and the other one I think is a pencil, but I'm not really sure where the powder element thing comes in, but we will figure that out later. So that was everything from box 1, and now onto the Beetlejuice box, which very intrigued. I have not yet seen the film, but I've recently seen the first one. I really liked it. It was very much 80s though. So I'm really curious how the second film is gonna continue that or maybe change it, but I don't think they're gonna change it much. Okay, so here's the inside of the box. The box itself is very cute. By the way, it's an Afterlife fold, and on the inside, like the first thing that catches my attention is this eyeshadow palette, which is the shape of the door. And on the inside, that's my little Q number. It's gonna be a long one. On the inside, there are some very nice matte and shimmery shades. I'm very intrigued by this like bluish purplish one. Yeah, the glitters look really great. Yeah, the glitters look really glittery, and I'm a very big fan of that. I'm very excited to try these. I don't know for what look yet. I kind of wanted to try out the Beetlejuice lips, like the trend that's been going around anyway, so maybe I'll do a look inspired by the movie. I don't know yet, so we'll see. Then the next item inside of the box are these Sandworm swirls, which are I think the butter glosses. I'm a very big fan of the NYX butter glosses. I have been for quite some years. These shades are very interested. I'm very drawn to this black and white one because I don't know if that's gonna look on your lips, but the other ones are red and purple, a pink and green, and a purple and green. And we have some more liners. These are in very fun colors. These are the Pinstripe duo liners, and I think one side of them is black and the other side is, I think, like an eyeliner pencil. I'm gonna open one of them because I'm curious. Oh, the packaging is like chromatic, which is very cool. So on this side we have the pencil. I think it's like a duo chrome. Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. Yeah, that's very cool. And then the other side is just black eyeliner, I'm pretty sure. So it's the same formula as just a regular ink. Yeah, it does seem like it. Very handy. I'm always using eyeliner, running out of eyeliner, so having backups is very nice. And also the pencil part, very cool. Then moving on to a different lip product. This is a Beetlejuice Lip Gloss. It's just one singular lip gloss, and the packaging is really cool. It really made me think of like Monster High dolls. Really cool packaging. I always love a gloss, especially a red one. Oh, I think it even opens up pretty, like in a cool way. Very cool. And this is the lip gloss, and I'm gonna try it out already. Oh, that's different than I thought it would be. I thought it would be a squeezy tube. Oh, I thought like the smells are different, familiar, and apparently it's pomegranate, so
there's a slice of pomegranate in there as well.
It leaves a little bit of color. I already have some lip gloss on my lips right now, so I'm not gonna directly apply it because I don't want it to mix. But this looks very nice. It's also a very big tube, which I appreciate that because I keep reapplying throughout the day because my lips are very dry, so kind of have to. And for the last item of this box, and for the last item in general, we have this little passport for Afterlife, which It's really, really cute. I really appreciate that they integrated the theme of the movie, like really integrated the theme of the movie and not just the aesthetic. And it opens up and then, oh, there are 3 shades. I think these 2 are blushes and this is a highlighter kind of situation. I'm very intrigued what the orange one will look like. It's very gold. That looks really, really cool. I don't know how to implement that yet on my face. The other 2 shades are also very cool. I think the dark one is my favorite because I really like burgundy red. And like this little password is so cute. No, it's okay. It's okay. Okay, so that was all for this PR unboxing. I'm gonna have some fun trying these products out in my upcoming looks. Thank you to Gigibee, L'Oreal and NYX for sending these. I very much appreciate PR packages. They're very new to me still, but every time they come in I'm just blown away with like the amazing stuff that I said, and I really appreciate it because it really helps me make my videos and create my looks and stuff like that, so thank you. Also thank you for watching, subscribing, all of the recent support, honestly, so thank you so much. Let me know what kind of videos you'd like to see next time. Bye, I love you, X.